All right, YouTube, I'm getting ready to basically rewire some additional power options onto my motorcycle. And basically you have you've got to wire them directly into the battery and then run them in a way that can get you to the front handlebars. And then in the front, I'm going to be adding some new power options. I do have some older power options here that I'm going to be removing. Those are with the older USB type. Now there's the new USB-C. I want to add that. So I've got two power port options that I'm going to be installing, and one of them has two different types of USB power, and it also has a switch. The important thing about having the switch is making sure that the power is turned off and cut off while not in use, and that way it doesn't drain your battery. So I like that. In this option, we can do a direct connect to the battery, not worry about the switch, because the only time it's going to be drawing power is when there's something plugged into it. So I'm going to be adding these two ports to the motorcycle. Okay, for the cigarette lighter power port, I got to add some cables. I'm going to add a 10 amp fuse and then rewire the battery connectors. These ones went around, but I want to just kind of slip them in so I cut out the ends. So this is it. I'm done. I tidied up the cables with zip ties. Actually zip tied them on some of the bars here. And if you look, the cables kind of went down and then through here. There's a little opening right there. And then I zip tied the cables onto the bars. So pretty much that's it. I got now two power points, one cigarette lighter power port, and then older USB and a USB-C. USB-C provides a lot more power. You can charge your phone a lot quicker. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I do have a Bluetooth, and that I Velcro to this and then plug it in for music. All right, thank you. One last note I want to say about wiring. Whenever you're wiring, just make sure you use the right gauge wires and the right terminals for the amount of power that you're going to be drawing. So anyhow, there's shrink wrap here. I've got these kits that I bought, Amazon and Temu. Just get yourself a bunch of these connectors and terminals, and it'll help with your wiring and making sure you don't have any problems with wires burning up and whatnot.